You're not going to like this one. This is your Buckley's moment. On the upside, I'll be quick. If you can't prove it, don't think it, don't say it, don't do it, especially after an attack. You've got a choice. You can keep on thinking the way that you thought before and let the world roll you, or you can change your perspective and get ruthless with yourself. Tastes good so far, let's double down. Someone says something to you. You want to fire back in anger. And right now it feels like your emotional backpack got dumped all out onto the floor in a crowded mall. Everything's mixed up. You're angry at the guy who cut you off in traffic. You're crying over a piece of dropped toast. And it feels like the whole world's wearing noise canceling headphones because they sure as bananas ain't listening to what you're saying. Now, before you rage against the machine, stop. Background, solution. Anger is almost never the first emotion. It's a mask. You're feeling fear, you're sad, you're frustrated, betrayed, let down, lied to, all legit. And because nobody is truly listening, anger is your way to force them to hear you. Anger's basically it's a built-in megaphone. But here's the problem. After an attack, that megaphone is stuck on volume 11. And you're pointing it at everybody, even the people who are just trying to help you find the exit. The world seems upside down because it just told you in a very violent way that it did not care about how you feel or what you want. Good times. So here's one tool that you can use. Don't do anything for 90 seconds. Count if you have to. That first wave of emotion, it's just chemistry. It's a hot surge of fight or flight soup moving through your veins. It's automatic. It's a spicy taco. You just have to let it pass through the system. Or during those 90 seconds, your job is simple. Don't talk, don't tweet, don't text, just breathe. Now, once that wave passes, whatever is left is just a story your brain is telling. Tell it to prove itself. And that's your second tool. Tell these thoughts to prove themselves. Like they're not your thoughts, not yet. They're just thoughts that your next door neighbor's trying to sell you. So don't let them in until they fact check themselves. Is it opinion or is there like documentation? Can you back it up? Like we want to say he should go to jail for 1,000 years. Should? Is that fact or your feelings? Are you a judge? Do you have any control over what the courts do? So now your job is you present your case, evidence, right? And you separate that from any outcome and be ruthless with yourself on this. Hey, how about this? The universe is out to get me. Stop. Is the universe actually focused on your parking tickets? Unlikely. Ask yourself if these words will be constructive or destructive. Don't make the person in front of you pay for what someone else did. And if your thoughts, if they feel good because they help you feel like the victim, like they reinforce feelings that you want to have inside, be suspicious of that. If your thoughts make you feel good because they turn someone else into something evil, like you feel good by making someone else feel bad or less, stop it. Wait 90 seconds, fact check those thoughts. It's a skill. It's like riding a bike or learning how to like kale. You're probably going to mess it up. You're probably going to yell at the microwave tomorrow. And that's okay. That's practice. You're not denying your emotions. You're just gatekeeping so your emotions don't take over. And each time that you pause instead of reacting, you're sanding down those buttons so it's harder for someone to come along and push them. Congratulate yourself because you already won the physical fight. Now it's time to win the war on your sanity. So remember, we're building a toolbox here, and prove it is that's a heavy duty pipe wrench. Stick with me, lots more to come.